So your first ponytail is divided into 3 going down, and your second ponytail is divided into 2 going up in between your sections, like this. Sounds way more confusing than it is, I promise, but that's the pattern. Now, take those 2 sections, clip them up out of the way, and then tightly secure those 3 sections to your third ponytail, nice and close to your head. Really get in there and try to gently pull on every piece of hair to really make it pop. And I try to make mine as symmetrical as possible. Alright, once you smooth it down, secure all of your hair into a tight ponytail. Next, take a second hair elastic and secure your ponytail about 2 to 3 finger widths down. Once secure, it's time to bubble. All you have to do is pull on the outside of your hair just above your elastic, and make sure to pull on all sides. So you want to pull on the front, the back to create that bubble effect. And then keep repeating down your ponytail as far as you like. Divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections, and you want to tie them together by crossing your right section over your left and then bringing the left up and pulling it through the hole at the top, same as if you were tying a shoe. Then pull both sides tightly and repeat, and you want to tie as many knots as you can. Once you reach the bottom, pinch and pull on the knots to loosen them up, and then just secure your ends into a small bun. Now the fun part, wrap your braid to create a bun, and if your braid is long, just wrap it underneath itself.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or 2. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack.